In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix high ping and packet loss while playing Counter-Strike 2 on your PC. First, ensure your internet connection is up to par. To do that, navigate to fast.com to your browser to run an internet speed test. This will give a clear picture of your current connectivity, and if you notice an unstable upload speed, then I suggest you restart your router or switch your network connection. Next, make sure that your high latency or packet loss problem is not related to the CS2 server you're playing in. So navigate to csgodatabase.com, and in here preview the CS2 and CSGO server status by region. If it's not working in a region, it will be labeled delayed, surge, or offline. If this is the case, then you will have to wait a moment or switch your server location by using a VPN service. For example, navigate to privadovpn.com to access a free VPN and change your server location for Counter-Strike 2. And once you're done, restart your router and clear any temporary glitches in your network connection. Next, we will flash your DNS resolver cache. So into your search bar, type in command prompt and run as an administration. And once open, use the command ipconfig/flash DNS, then hit enter. This will flash and reset DNS resolver cache and will often reduce your ping by a lot. Next, we need to ensure your network adapter driver is up to date. So again, into your search bar, open up Device Manager. In here, expand your network adapter. Just tap the arrow to expand it. And then right-click the one you are using and select Update Driver. And then click Search automatically for driver's software. This will ensure the best connection to the CS2 game server and help fix a high latency as well as packet loss. And that's it, guys. That's how to fix the high ping and packet loss issue when playing your Counter-Strike 2 on your PC. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.